Hi everyone, it's me again, Titser Jay, and welcome to another episode of learning. Today's video, we are going to discuss on how to find the equation of the line given the slope and 1 point. So again, ang hahanapin natin is yung equation ng line. Pwede siya na nasa form na standard form at slope intercept form. So, given yung slope at given yung isang point. Para mahanap natin yung line or equation ng line given 1 point and slope, gagamitin natin itong formula na ito. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, ito yung gagamitin natin na formula para makuha natin yung equation ng line given the slope and 1 point. Yung m dyan, that is our slope. So, para mas maintindihan, let's have this first example. Find the equation of the line whose slope is negative 1 and passes through the point 5, negative 3. So, ang gagawin natin, sulat muna natin yung given. Our slope daw is negative 1. And yung point natin is 5, negative 3. Okay, so yung 5 dito, yung point dito, yung 5 dyan, this is our x sub 1. And yung negative 3 na yan, this is our y sub 1. So, para makuha natin yung equation ng line, gagamitin natin yung formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is i-substitute lang natin yung mga given. Yung value ng m, yung value ng y sub 1, at saka x sub 1. Yan lang yung isa-substitute natin. So, that is just copy y minus ang y sub 1 natin ay negative 3. So, that is negative 3 is equal to ang slope natin ay negative 1 times kopyahin lang natin yung x minus ang x sub 1 natin, that is 5. So, x minus 5. Next is simplify natin ito. Y minus negative 3, that is equal to y plus 3. Plus yan kasi negative times negative 3, that is positive 3. So, y plus 3 yan is equal to negative 1 times x, distribute lang natin. Negative 1 times x, that is negative x. And then negative 1 times negative 5, that is positive 5. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is by using subtraction property of equality. So, mag-subtract tayo ng 3 both sides. Okay? So, y plus 3 minus 3 is equal to negative x plus 5 minus 3. Or, pwede nyong gawin, i-transpose nyo yung positive 3 dito to right side of the equation. So, we have now, simplify natin, y plus 3 minus 3. So, cancel natin ito kasi 0 yan. So, y na lang yung matitira. Y is equal to, just copy negative x. And then, 5 minus 3, that is equal to positive 2. So, we have y is equal to negative x plus 2. So, eto na ngayon yung ating slope-intercept form. Yan yung equation ng ating line. Hanapin din natin yung, yung standard form ng linear equation. Okay? Na nasa form na ax plus by is equal to c. So, using this y is equal to negative x plus 2, ang gagawin natin dyan, ita-transpose natin. Transpose nyo lang yung negative x dyan to left side. Kaya magiging positive siya. Plus y, kinopya ko lang yung y, is equal to positive 2. So, eto na ngayon yung ating standard form of, or yung equation ng line na nasa standard form. So, ganun lang kung paano kunin yung equation ng line given the slope and 1 point. Let's have another example. Ang slope natin, number 2, slope natin is positive 3. Ang point natin is 3, negative 1. Hanapin natin is yung equation ng line. So again, given ang slope natin is 3, ang point natin is 3, negative 1. So para makuha natin yung equation ng line, gagamitin natin yung formula na y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So yung point natin dito na 3, negative 1, yung 3 na yan, that is our x sub 1, and yung negative 1 na yan, that is our y sub 1. So i-substitute lang natin yung value ni x sub 1, value ng y sub 1, at saka yung slope. So we have y minus, ang y sub 1 natin is negative 1, is equal to, ang m natin is positive 3, times the quantity, just copy x, minus, ang x sub 1 natin ay 3. So si-simplify natin ito. Y minus negative 1, that is equal to y plus 1. Plus 1 yan kasi negative times negative 1, that is equal to positive 1. Is equal to 3 times x, that is equal to 3x. Distribute nyo lang. And then 3 times negative 3, that is equal to negative 9. So ang gagawin ulit natin, by using subtraction property of equality, okay, mag-subtract tayo ng negative 1 on both sides of the equation. Or pwede nyong gawin, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, you can transpose positive 1 to left side, to right side of the equation. So we have y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 9 minus 1. Simplify natin, y plus 1 minus 1, the answer is y. Okay, kasi 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So y na lang yung matitira. Is equal to 3x minus, or negative 9 minus 1, that is negative 10. So we have y is equal to 3x minus 10. And this is our slope-intercept form. And our standard form, same lang din, i-transpose nyo lang yung negative 3 to left side, it becomes negative 3x. Ito po, becomes negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 10. So, pwede na ito yung standard form natin, or pwede nyong i-multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. Okay? Pwede po yan, para maging positive yung value ng ating a. So, we have now 3x minus y is equal to positive 10. And this is now our standard form of the equation. Let's have another example. Ang slope natin ay 2/3. Point natin is 3, 6. We are going to find the equation of the line. So, given, ang m natin or slope is 2/3. Ang point natin is 3, 6. Yung 3 na yan, that is our x sub 1. And yung 6 na yan, that is our y sub 1. So, same process. Gagawin nyo is, substitute nyo lang yung value ng y sub 1, value ng m, at saka value ng x sub 1 dito sa formula na ito. Okay? So, next is, we have y minus, y sub 1 natin is 6, is equal to, ang m natin is 2/3, times the quantity x, minus, ang x sub 1 natin ay 3. Simplify natin, we have y minus 6, so that is y minus 6, is equal to 2/3 times x, that is 2/3 x, and then 2/3 times negative 3, that is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, again, by using addition property of equality, or simply transpose this negative 6 to right side. So, we have y minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 2/3 x minus 2 plus 6. Simplify natin yan. Y minus 6 plus 6, that is simply y, is equal to 2/3 x, and then negative 2 plus 6, that is equal to positive 4. So, this is now our slope-intercept form. Okay? So, nakasulat na siya sa y is equal to mx plus b na form. Okay? And then, kunin din naman natin yung equation ng line na nasa standard form. Okay? So, using this, ang gagawin nyo lang, getting the LCD, ang LCD natin ay 3. And, so, magiging 3 times y is equal to 3y is equal to 3 times 2/3 x, that is simply 2x. Okay? And then, 3 times 4 is equal to positive 12. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, transpose natin yung negative 2 to left side para magiging yung form natin ay ax plus by is equal to c para maging ganyan yung form natin. So, we have negative 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Or, para maging positive yung value ng a natin dyan, simply multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. Okay? So, we have 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 12. And this is now our standard form. Or equation ng line na nasa standard form. So, let's have the fourth example. The slope is 5 passing through negative 1, 4. Find the equation of the line. So, same process. Ito yung given natin. Our slope is 5. And our point is negative 1, 4. Yung negative 1, that is our x sub 1. Y sub 1 natin is equal to 4. Next na gagawin natin is again substituting this x sub 1, y sub 1, and m dito sa ating formula. So we have y minus 4 is equal to 5 yung m natin times x plus 1. So plus 1 yan kasi yung x sub 1 natin is negative 1. So kapag sinimplify natin negative times negative 1, that is positive 1. Kaya x plus 1 yung nandito. And then simplify, y minus 4 is equal to 5 times x, that is equal to 5x. 5 times positive 1, that is equal to positive 5. Next na gagawin natin by using addition property of equality or simply transpose this one to right side. Okay, para yung y lang ang nasa left side. So, simplify. We have y minus 4 plus 4. Simply, the answer is y is equal to, cancel natin yung ito pala. So, 5x and then 5 plus 4, that is equal to positive 9. So, we have now the slope-intercept form. Y is equal to 5x plus 9. Kunin din natin yung standard form. So, using this, y is equal to 5x plus 9. I-transpose nyo lang yung negative 5x of positive 5x to left side. It becomes negative 5x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, pwede na ito, pero kung gusto nyo gawin nyo siyang positive yung value ng a, okay, just multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. Right, so this is negative 1 times negative 5x, that is equal to 5x. Negative 1 times positive y, that is equal to negative y, is equal to negative 1 times positive 9, that is equal to negative 9. And this is now our standard form of the equation. So, if you have questions or clarifications, just type your questions po in our comment section. Keep safe and God bless.